Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can access Chrome flag settings. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Chrome browser on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, click on the top search bar and type in chrome://flags. Once done, give it a go and the Chrome Flags webpage will open up. Now you just need to start using the features you prefer. The Chrome Flags allow you to access hidden settings and experimental features that are not available in the regular Chrome settings. You can enable or disable these flags according to your preference. Some of the popular flags include the dark mode flag, the smooth scrolling flag, and the tab hover card flag. So that's basically how you can access Chrome Flags settings. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.